Hi everyone, this is Ravinder Paspula. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about mathematical operations, the computations and TensorFlow. Yes. So TensorFlow is a framework where we can do mathematical operations. Now the TensorFlow contains two words, tensor and the flow. The tensor indicates arrays with multiple dimensions, and the flow indicates a graphical the graph with different nodes, a computational graph. Flow indicates computational graph, and tensor indicates arrays with multiple dimensions. Now we can represent a tensor by using rank, shape, and type. So these are three parameters. By using these three parameters, we can represent a tensor. So tensor is simply a data structure, a data type in TensorFlow. So in previous video, we discussed about what is tensor, how to create tensor, and how to create a variable, etc. Right? Now we will discuss about how to do mathematical operations in TensorFlow. Right? Now TensorFlow brings all the tools for us to get set up with numerical calculations and adding such calculations to our graph. So TensorFlow has a list of methods for implementing different computational operations. So each method as represented by functions of the package, TF package, and each function written a tensor. Okay. Now, so arithmetic operations we can perform in TensorFlow are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Okay. Now we'll discuss one by one. First of all, we'll discuss addition operation. Addition operation with the TensorFlow. Right. Okay. Now first of all, we have to First of all, here we have to import TensorFlow dot compat dot v1 version 1 and as TF. Now with the TF package, then we have to initialize one more thing, disable. So TF disable underscore v2 underscore behavior. Yes. Now after that we have to create a variable. Now we have to create variable or constant. Yeah. By using constant method. Yes. Now I am creating a tensor. Okay. I am creating tensor. So creating constant means we are creating tensor here. Simply, in simple words, we have to create a tensor. Yes, tensors. Now here, a underscore tensor. Yes, is equal to, by using TF package, we can create constant. Yes. Now 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4. Okay. Just I am giving 3 values. Okay. Now creating another tensor. Yeah, right. So b underscore tensor is equal to TF constant. Now I'm giving here different values 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma. Yeah, 3. Right? Now here we are creating a tensor. Now the a underscore tensor is a tensor and b underscore tensor is another tensor. Now here it is one dimensional. It is a one dimensional tensor with rank 1. Rank 1 means what? One dimensional. Right. Now here and shape is how much? Shape is 3. Means 3 values are there. The shape indicates length of the dimension. That may be 0-dimensional, 1-dimensional, 3-dimensional, and multidimensional. Okay. Now the shape indicates what length of the dimension. That means that length of the row and length of the column. Now here a single row is there. Its length is how much? 3. That's the reason shape of the A underscore tensor is how much? 3. And shape of the B underscore tensor is how much? 3. Okay. Now here if you want to add these two tensors, addition operation, if you want to perform addition operation on this tensor, now we have to create a session. Yeah. Session. Create session object or session. Yeah. Says I'm taking object name is says is equal to package tf, a class I'm using here session. Now session has created. After creating a session, then we have to add it. Okay. First of all, we have to run it. Run A underscore. Yeah. Now it display its value. And same thing, display tensor. B underscore tensor. Here also I am writing here display A underscore tensor. Right. Okay. Now print says B underscore tensor. Now we can see its value on the screen, right? Yeah. TensorFlow. Import spelling, we did a mistake here. Import. Yes. Now see here 357246 and this one. Name error. So yeah. B underscore tensor print D. Yeah. Here we did mistake. Yeah. D. Yes. 234. The value of tensor A underscore tensor value 234 and A tensor 134 and 234 has to come, but we got only 1 234. B tensor as displayed. Yeah. We have to print this. Yes. So both tensors are displayed, right? Now if you want to perform addition operation, yeah. So simply we have to add sys dot run. Here we can add it. Tf dot add. Now so we are adding two tensors. So what are those two tensors? A underscore tensor comma B underscore tensor. So these two tensors we are adding. Now if you can see its value on the screen, now simply just I am taking here display and store in some variable add 1. Now if you can see its value on the screen, print add 1. Sys dot run. Yeah. Now we can see those two values. Yes. Again we did some mistake. Yes. Yeah. So we add this. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 4, 8. So like we can add two tensors. So this is the first method. Now if you want to add multiple tensors. We can, yeah, by using, add underscore n. By using add underscore n, we can add multiple tensors.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.